Thank you for taking a peek at this short video at our eBay store. I just want to quickly show you the machine itself. It's a Remington Standard 1947. I love this thing. This is great technology. They do not make them like this anymore. As you can see, I've already did a little test, and yes, it works. All of the keys, everything works in great order. Again, this is really old, so I mean, I didn't want to clean it up or do anything of that sort. I just wanted to give you a test run so you can actually see. See it working, as you can see there. And I'll also want to show you real quick. This thing has so many gadgets and things on it that I'm really not sure how to work it all that well. But let me pull this off so that you can take a peek at the ribbon. Yes, it is old. It does say it's made in the USA. Again, I can't tell you the quality of this thing and how much this thing actually weighs. You've got to see it for yourself. The inside again has the serial numbers. I've been told that the 2 stands, or excuse me, the 2 stands for the actual assembly who did it. The 5 is the actual month, the 14th is the day, and the 47 is the year. And I'm really not sure if you can make that out. Right below it, it says Alcoa, which is still around. It's a steel company. We actually have one here close by in Charleston, South Carolina. With that being said, guys, I'm going to conclude this short video. I just wanted to let you see it and take a peek at it. If you have any further questions, feel free to send me an email at renegadebusiness@gmail.com, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a blessed Christmas.